Hello everybody, welcome back. So today I thought I would do a what's in my bag update video. I'm going to change it out and I like making them, and I thought it'd be fun to show you how I swap it out. So without further ado, continue watching and I'll show you how I. Okay everybody, welcome back. So for those who haven't watched my previous video, this was the bag I was using before, a Fiorelli crossbody bag, and now I'm going to change it out to one that sits on my shoulder. It's the Fiorelli Islington bag and I love it so much. So I thought I would show you how I do it. And yesterday I went out shopping and I was using this bag, so I'm just going to swap them all over. So first things first is my purse. I was using this Katie Luxton one yesterday, and I'm just going to take out what was in here and put it in my other one that I love, which is my Bonas one. And look at how well this goes. Oh. Perfect. So I am going to put my purse in. Okay, next is my makeup bag, kind of sanitary towels, nail file, glasses wipes, and I'll just take out what was in the bag I was using yesterday, which was a mirror and stuff, so I'll just put that all in there. And then this is just, it was a set of, bought in a set of 3 from Caroline Gardner, and I just got a little E on the end, which is a keyring from Paper Chase. So that's in there. Would it help if I zoomed in? Would that be a bit better? Excuse the mess behind me. I'm in the middle of redoing my bedroom. And at the moment we're in the wardrobe stage, so just doing it. So I have a receipt from my hair that doesn't need to go in there. I've got hand cream. This is the Sweet Pea and Honeysuckle hand cream. I'm not sure whether it's going to load. And then what else have I got in here? I have a train ticket, I don't need that. I have a label for my coat, I don't need that. I quite like keeping the labels of my stuff in there. Okay, tissue, don't need that. Okay, what's in here? Got house keys, my AirPods. I love this case. From Burga. It's so good. So that goes in there. What else have I got? I got a receipt for a sticker I bought. I've got a train ticket from when I went to Windsor Castle after the Queen died to lay flowers, so I always keep that. Just to remember. A very emotional day. And then I have just some other information. This is all kind of my odds and ends cards that just go in the back pocket inside. And then I have my pounds for the trolley. And then I've got these tokens from holiday I went on. I can put these pounds for my trolley back in here in my purse. Okay, that's that bag empty. So that's the one I was using before, the crossbody bag. And now we need this one, so I've got my Kindle. And then I've got tissues. And then I've got a book of poetry from my granny. And then I've got a train ticket from yesterday for a trip to Reading, which can just go in the pocket here. Okay, so that is the bag packed. Oh, it's quite heavy. I don't normally carry my Kindle around every day. I just had it yesterday. So that's it. And I love, my favourite things is the pockets here, pocket here, and then inside is just kind of a big open pocket, and you got an inside pocket there. And I love it sits on my arm quite nicely. So that is my bag set up now. I know it's quite of a dark colour for May, but I really like the bag, so I thought I'd give it a try. I'm in the middle of decluttering everything, and if I'm not going to use it, it's got to go, so I'm not ready to get rid of it, so I'm going to use it. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.